Thank you for your interest in this Microsoft Power BI Partner Showcase of the TBM dashboard developed by Practical Solutions. The purpose of this dashboard is to provide accurate TBM reporting to the enterprise and its decision makers. TBM stands for Technology Business Management, which is a classification and taxonomy model standardized by the TBM Council and is continuously being adopted by various organizations and federal agencies for the purpose of IT spending transparency. This Power BI dashboard was modeled directly after the standard TBM taxonomy. It includes the general components of the familiar TBM hierarchy, such as IT towers, cost pools, and services. The dashboard has 4 views, and we will briefly introduce each. This summary view is an executive level summary with the critical components of TBM displayed in an intuitive and logical manner for quick interpretation. The taxonomy view reflects IT spending under the standard TBM taxonomy structure. If your organization follows the TBM taxonomy closely, this view quickly shows where your IT dollars are allocated within this taxonomy. The operations view is a pivot of application, license, and technology procurement data of the organization. On the right side are a number of filters allowing analysts and decision makers to quickly dive deeper into patterns or anomalies. Finally, the efficiency view is an add-on view we developed to help our clients assess the money they spend on licensing. This can quickly show idle dollars. That is, money that was spent procuring licenses that is currently not being used. This can be extremely helpful in budget planning among various other use cases. As is standard in Power BI, most of the visualizations, tables, and filters are interactive. Of course, the specific fields in the TBM taxonomy, along with the filters, can and should be customized to the specific structure and needs of each enterprise. I hope this introduction has been helpful. Please feel free to contact us at analytics@ps4b.com if you would like to explore this or any of our other TBM and analytics solutions.